In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test workflows in n8n. By the end, you'll know exactly how to run a full test, pinpoint issues, and validate individual parts of your automation without running the whole thing every time. First, open the workflow editor for the workflow you want to test. This is where you can see your nodes laid out and make quick adjustments. Make sure you're looking at the trigger node, the starting point of your workflow. This could be something like a schedule, a webhook, or any node that kicks things off. On that trigger, you'll notice a small lightning icon. Hover your mouse over it, and you'll see the Execute Workflow button appear. Click it to start a manual run. n8n will attempt to execute the workflow from the trigger through each connected node in sequence. As it runs, watch the interface. Successful nodes typically show green status and display output data, while any node with an issue will highlight an error. You'll also see a message indicating whether the execution finished successfully or encountered a problem, so you can immediately spot where things went off track. If you find a problem on a node, double-click that node to open its configuration panel. Here you can review fields, mappings, and credentials, and make the necessary fixes. Instead of rerunning the entire workflow after every change, use the Execute Step option right inside this panel. Clicking Execute Step will run only this specific node with its current input, letting you quickly confirm whether your adjustment worked. This approach saves time and reduces side effects, especially if your workflow performs actions like sending messages or writing to external systems. Take a moment to review the output shown for that node. If you still see an error, fine-tune the configuration, check required fields, data types, and expressions, and execute step again. Repeat this for any other nodes that show issues. You're essentially walking through the workflow piece by piece until each part behaves as expected. When all problematic nodes have been addressed and each one executes cleanly on its own, you can return to the trigger and click Execute Workflow again to validate the whole run end to end. You should now see a smooth execution with clear outputs at every stage. And that's all. With these steps, you can confidently test your workflows in n8n, troubleshoot quickly, and keep your automations reliable without unnecessary full runs between fixes.